Good evening. So I just arrived to Kyoto. You'll see in my other vlog. I was just in Osaka for a few days and I took the train here. This was just a regular train, so it took about an hour between like subways and the actual train to get here, so it wasn't too bad. Right now it is 4:09 p.m. I am somehow exhausted. Granted, I think I woke up around 6 a.m. this morning and I did a little bit of last minute shopping in Osaka and I managed to find some Chanel vintage earrings. I have been looking for them since I hit Osaka and all of them were very, I guess they're not expensive, like relative to other prices, but they were just expensive to me. Like I was not trying to spend that money. They were on average, well not on average, but the ones that I was looking at, they were like $400 and I didn't want to spend $400 on earrings. And then I was looking at the prices like in general and they are like $1,000 if you like buy them in America. So I was like, okay, I need to like figure this out. So anyway, I found a pair that were $200. So I got those and I'll show you them in a minute. But I wanted to show you the hotel room that I got. It's really cute. It does have a weird nuance that we'll get to in a second, but let's start the tour. Okay, so this is I'm standing at the front door, so the room is rather small. However, it's bigger than my last room because my last room was probably about as big as this, but it had the bathroom in it, and this one does not have the bathroom in it. So that is the nuance. But I wanted to get it because I wanted to sleep on these traditional like Japanese beds. Like I feel, how can I go to Kyoto or Japan in general and like not have slept on them? Although I have slept on like a mattress on the floor before and I didn't really enjoy it. So I don't know why I think I'm gonna enjoy it now. But you know, I figured I'd try it again. Maybe my tastes have changed. So there's a little area here, which is going to be nice because you can see my yoga mats over there. But I have space to do yoga, which is going to be good. I'll just move these things. I did yoga in the other hotel, but it was very tight, but still doable. And then this is I'll show you how the bathroom works. So you have to grab your key, unfortunately. This is the front door that leads to the hallway, and then this is the bathroom. So the bathroom is actually quite nice. I'm just not sure why they didn't just make it attached to the bedroom. I'm not sure like what that was about. So toilet area, and the great thing about these Japanese toilets, this is my second hotel here, and they have like heated seats. It's like insane. And who knew you would need heated seats until you actually try them and you're like, why isn't this not a thing in America? And then it has like the bidet feature and all that, which I tried it once and I'm not sure how I feel about it. I'm like, what is the point of these bidets? Especially with the advent of Cottonelle wipes, like you don't really need them, but some people seem to like them. And then this is the tub, and the tub I just figured out is separate from the shower. So this is the shower head here on the side. So this part is the shower, and then this is the tub, which I like so that I don't have to like stand where I'm going to take a bath. Oh, there's a mirror in there too. I didn't notice that before. So I think I want to get I might run to the store and get some bath stuff and then get some dinner. I don't think I'm going to do anything touristy related today because I am, like I said, exhausted. But the thing I need to do is eat and then get the bath stuff like I mentioned. So guys, I will see you when I get to my next thing. I almost forgot, but these are the earrings. I got them from, I think, Brandoff or something like that. I'll let you guys know. I don't necessarily recommend that particular place for getting a good deal. These are only a good deal because they rank like the item based on like the amount of wear on it. These are like rated a B from, I don't know, like A through C perhaps. So they're not like in the best quality. And I'll show you why, but these are the earrings. So they're just clip-on earrings. They give you a really cute case, which is nice. So the reason these are rated a B is because they have, like, some of the backing is missing, which is probably replaceable somehow, but so this one is intact, but the other one is not. But there you can see there's like fine print, it says Chanel on there. So this is the one where the backing is not intact. Okay, so these are them on, and I tried them on the store, but like when you see them on the counter, they don't look as big as they do when they're on your ear. And I guess it's a good thing that they are clip-on, because I don't think, let me see if there's a better way to do this. Yeah, probably zooming in is probably better. Okay, yes, as I was saying. Yeah, when you see them on the shelf, they don't look as big as when you put them on your ear, and they're like quite large. But they're definitely like a statement earring for sure. And, you know, I guess you'll know if they pop off because they're like so heavy. You can notice the weight missing from your ear, but they're super fabulous. And I'm excited to like style them with, I don't know what I'm gonna style them with. I have events coming up, so yeah, it's gonna be fun, but I'm excited. They were decently priced, as I mentioned, compared to regular pricing, but still quite pricey. I guess that's the going rate for these things nowadays, but yeah, that's gonna be it for now. Let me figure out what I'm gonna do and I'll see you guys in a few. Okay guys, so good morning. I guess I have not picked up the camera today, so this is the first full day in Kyoto. I am at Nijō Castle. Apparently this is a World Heritage Site. Got a little pamphlet saying as much. So one tip is to buy the tickets for everything beforehand, because somehow if you get here even before the place opens, there's a line at the ticket stand, so highly recommend you do that. So I did that today and I was able to get in quickly the first time. However, you need to pay extra for a few of the things on here. So you have to pay extra for the palace, I believe, and I think one of the gardens perhaps. But yeah, I was not going to pay extra, not because it's expensive, but because I didn't buy with the original ticket and I wasn't going to go back to the front to buy it, so it's like whatever. And I'm already in a sour mood because I went to have breakfast at this hotel nearby, and then they told me that the breakfast is only for guests, even though it had like a price on there. So I have no breakfast. It's like 9 a.m. in the morning, so I'm not in the best of moods, but yes, we're here and this garden is beautiful. Let's get a few more footage shots. So I ended up spending the rest of the day doing some vintage luxury shopping, of course. I checked out a couple of bags from Dior. One was a green shoulder bag and the other was the classic vintage print. None of them particularly appealed to me. It wasn't exactly what I was looking for, so I ended up just moving on from there. Good morning. So today is the last day in Kyoto. I don't recall what I did last with you guys. I think I was on my way back to the hotel. I had another early night, which is good because I had to, not that it would matter because I've been waking up early every morning anyway, but woke up early today because I'm gonna go to that famous shrine and I'm hoping it's not jam-packed, but I have a feeling it will be jam-packed because there have been so many tourists here so far. So we'll see. As long as I can get a few shots in, that would be nice. But I decided to take the subway part way and then walk the other way because I did not want to deal with Kyoto Station, which is chaotic as hell. So I just walked, which is, I like walking. It's nice to like see things versus like being stuck in the subway. But let me look at these directions really quick before I get lost, and I will see you guys in a few. Guys, back home for a little siesta. It is, honestly, I don't even know what time it is. I think midday. My watch has died. It's 12:10. I popped into 7-Eleven to get some snacks. I've tried a few 7-Eleven snacks and they've been really great so far. So I'll show you some of the things that I've gotten. Right now I'm gonna have a rice cake. And I've had these a few times. They're pretty good. I'll show you guys. So this is the grilled salmon rice cake. This thing doesn't want to focus. But here it is. And then these are new. Burnt caramelized nuts. These I also haven't tried. They're rice crackers with sesame seeds. These I tried yesterday. These are grilled scallop strips. They're okay. They're a little chewy, so not my favorite. And then some dark chocolate, of course. Haven't tried these yet, but I'm sure they're fine. It's 73%, I believe. And then these have been good. Peanut chocolate clusters. I think that's all I have left in terms of snacks. I'm gonna have the rice cake, these chips, at least half of them at least. They're 271 calories. Rest for a little bit and then head back out.